la, 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 wait till I get my money right.
So you guys know how I'm always promoting using DJI drones, and they're my favorite drones to use. Well, my dad decided that he wanted to be a little bit cheap and buy a $150 drone that came with 3 batteries, a ton of propellers, a ton of things to fix it. It came with a carrying case, and this is how the drone looks. And he flew it inside of the house because it's raining outside. And the drone started doing its own thing and drifting off and drifted right into the wall here. So this shows why it costs not to be cheap and just spend the money up front, because with my DJI, I don't have to worry about it drifting or anything. So you want to make sure that you're buying the most premium products that you can and not trying to just save money with some of the cheaper items if you're able to.
Later that day.
All right, y'all. Caden let my drone hit the wall, and it hit like right here, put a little gash in it, slid down the wall here. Thank God it didn't hit these picture frames. I wouldn't have heard the end of it from mama. Then it slid down here, then it crashed out right here, and I got to get the white paint, high gloss to paint that, but I always keep touch-up paint. You know, you never know you're going to crash a drone in the house. Now, here's the deal, too. I'm supposed to get my behind whooped because my mama wouldn't even have allowed me to even fly a drone in the house. Listen, I got home training, but when I became an adult, I just don't use it half the time. But my mom would not have us playing in the house with a drone. We didn't have drones when I was little.
Even though I recommended multiple times to fly it outside.
But it's raining outside.
Then we could have just waited until it stopped raining.
Mm-hmm. Okay, buddy, now, I didn't feel like getting a brush out because this damage ain't that bad. But typically, I wouldn't brush paint because it leaves streaks. But because your dad used to own a painting company, which a lot of people probably don't know that, when you do it this way, you just kind of dab it and then you just kind of fade it in like that. Because if you just stroke it a couple times, it's gonna leave a different coloration mark. So you want to kind of blend it in like that. See how I'm just kind of swirling it? You don't want straight lines. And then that'll dry nice and neat, and you'll never notice that we crashed the drone into the wall. Okay, tell the story, Caden, what happened?
So you decided to buy your $150 drone that came with every accessory in the world.
And I thought I was getting a deal. Because how much your drone cost?
$500. I told you that if my $500 drone only came with 2 batteries and a remote control, that's it, and you thought you were gonna get all those accessories for $150, there had to have been something fishy.
There had to be a catch to it, huh? But the commercial, I saw they got a commercial on TV. So I'm like, look, if they can afford commercial space on TV, the drone can't be too bad.
Maybe they scam people like you.
Oh man, did you go there on me, Caden? They scam me. So I'm gonna come back later after. I just want that to look better right now, but I'm gonna come back and put some putty in there. We're gonna sand it down, smooth it out, and get that gash out because your mom will get on me when she see that.
Speaking of, what do you have to say about this, Mother?
He very glad that got my picture frames down because it was hard to get those, and I don't know if they still sell them anymore.
Didn't I tell y'all she's gonna get me for the picture frame? Look at that. Look at that. That is good as new. Nobody would ever even know. Caden, if it was just you and I at home right now and we would have did this, we could have got away with this one, buddy. What you think? Yeah, boy, we go down as a team. Kate, look, you've been certified as a drone pilot longer than I have. You should have known better than to let me fly in the house. I don't care.
I told him multiple times that we should fly outside, and it was raining when we went out, and he said, put the drone down.
And you put it down and he put it in the air? That's what happened, Sean?
No, he knew better. He is almost a whole adult. And he is certified through the FAA.
You're 53.
And he let me fly in the house. You let me fly this thing in the house as if you didn't have no frontal lobe development. Father nothing. How we look, buddy? Well,
Go with it a little bit.
He said that hamstring was feeling better.
Has it?
Okay. Just in the hip.
Okay,
Because
good.
he would be like sparring. I'm like, why aren't you kicking? He was using his hand. Like a hamstring.
And it was bothering. So, okay, so it's been better now?
Yeah.
So when you kick now, it's better?
Yeah, much better.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Needed to. But when you balance it off like that, it throws a muscle imbalance in, and when you're trying to do your kicks or whatever like that, if it's a muscle imbalance there, then it makes it easy for you to pull a muscle or damage it or whatever like that. We don't need that. Don't need no injuries.
Okay.
You can't be too flexible. He loves that stuff though. In a little bit. There we go. Time moves on, doesn't it?
It does. I feel like I just dropped off at the airport.
All right. Just let me, all your weight just lay on me, and then do me a favor, just kind of lift your chin a little bit. There we go.
But guys, right now we are at the place where we get all of our food in bulk.
I'm telling where it's at.
I'm not. So right now we are getting some steak. It is freezing in here. That's what I need right there, mother.
What?
The soy sauce.
You and your daddy need that.
You know what? Where's that?
It's some orange chicken sauce down there
Look at the
too.
price at $40 for that big old gigantic thing. We never had about soy sauce in our life. Then when you get a regular bottle of soy sauce, it's damn $6.
Look at the rice.
Yeah.
Look like how the dog food come home.
I'm getting through that man.
Okay. Here's So now we got some chicken breast here.
He keeps saying that something back here somewhere.
He's looking for garlic butter.
Oh, like a big thing of it.
Flip on us. He don't need all that garlic butter he looking for. Oh,
Freezing.
so cold in here, right? I brought a jacket
Y'all go?
and I left it in the car because I was like, this is gonna be quick. Look at this sign right here. This is, your sister was like, if I get on here, you think I can ride it? I said, Kennedy, do you read this sign?
Julian.
Only Kennedy.
Good.
Does it have pecans in it?
It's butter pecan. Why
But
would
you
it
know,
have pecans in
if you go to Cold Stone, it doesn't.
Boy, nobody needs this much ice cream. Look at it.
Alright. I'm gonna say she ain't gonna pay with this, or I will.
No, that's 30.
They literally have everything that you could possibly need to cook in this store. We got everything we need, guys, so now we're about to go and put everything in the trunk and head back home.
Your daddy said you gotta get the beef then.
Okay.
So, ice cream is the most important part. Protein, baby, protein.
Yeah. As you guys know, I'm dropping my drone course soon, so I'm going to teach you how to get licensed, how to make money flying a drone, and everything in between, such as rules, safety tips, and tricks that you won't find just anywhere. Because flying a drone isn't just about pushing a joystick, there's a whole world of regulations, best practices, and ways to turn it into a real life skill and even a business. So stay tuned because I'm planning to drop it within the next 2 weeks and I can't wait to share it with you. I got my first drone when I was 7 years old, but we're not going to talk about how that one went. But now I'm on drone number 4, and I've fallen in love with flying drones. And I never imagined I would enjoy this as much as I do. There's just something special about seeing the world from a bird's eye view that changes the way you notice things. The patterns, the colors, the movement of everything around you. Because flying a drone isn't just fun, it gives you a perspective that you can't get anywhere else.